2016 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, compass, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, power seat. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.